Launched in late 2021, following the ESPN NTD Program Managers meeting, the Country Health Information Platform, or CHIP, is a highly scalable and low-cost dashboard for NTDs. CHIP is designed to provide national programs with an NTD database, which shows program activities over time, without the data entry and data management requirements of other NTD database solutions. Developed as a collaboration between WHO ESPN, Sightsavers, and Standard Co., CHIP was initially funded by FCDO, transitioning to GLIDE and Sightsavers funding in 2021. So how does it work? Well, CHIP takes the data submitted annually by all national entity programs through the JAP and TEMP process. Following review and approval, CHIP transforms that data into a publicly accessible and interactive tool using Power BI, a business intelligence software solution. CHIP is a visual tool that is designed to provide national entity programs with quick analytical insights for common programmatic questions, such as where are entities co-endemic, how has treatment coverage changed year on year, what are current expectations for impact assessment, and what is the overlap between entity endemicity and low WASH coverage. CHIP both fills a gap for countries that lack a fully functional national database and enhances analytics in those that do through its integrated precision visualizations, but critically has no data entry or data storage requirements behind it. It is just a visual tool. Any gaps or data errors, therefore, will require resubmission of the JAP-TEMP to update CHIP. Let's take a quick look. So CHIP is found on the ESPN portal. It can be accessed either via each country page or under Tools and Resources, where there is a dedicated CHIP site. To open a CHIP dashboard, either choose a country from the drop-down or click into it directly in the map. CHIP has 8 dashboard pages. These are structured into 3 overarching modules and a references page. The first module is the country page, which you can see here. It provides a national administrative and disease endemicity overview focused on the diseases reported in the joint application package. Note that by default, CHIP is set to the national level. But on this and all subsequent pages, you can choose to focus in on any specific region, on any legend item, and on any implementation unit. This gives users great scope for manipulating and exploring their data. The second module are the disease-specific pages. There is one of each of these for the 5 PC NTDs. These pages summarize historic treatment counts, longitudinal coverage data, and planned surveys up to 2030. Insofar as possible, the model of the disease-specific pages has been aligned for consistency throughout. The third module is WASH, and this dashboard page facilitates analysis of select sanitation and hygiene modeling data from the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, combined with NTD prevalence data for Schisto-SDH to identify high-priority areas for collaborative action. Users can toggle between a focus on water or sanitation here, and schistosomiasis and STH here. This matrix then summarizes counts of IUs with low or high WASH according to IHME's methodology alongside entity prevalence. Users can easily filter to identify those IUs for priority action. CHIP is available for all countries in the WHO Afro region right now. Many countries across the region and supporting partner organizations are already using CHIP to interrogate the national data and make insights on their entity program that were not possible before. And furthermore, as the source of CHIP are the JAP and TEMP, CHIP also serves to incentivize complete, timely, and high-quality reporting form submission, as any reported gaps or errors will be detrimental to effective use. The CHIP team has, for example, already worked closely with the Ministries of Health in Kenya to submit 3 years of missing GRF data and as such maximise the use of the tool for NTD program oversight. In the coming year, the CHIP team will work with Ministries of Health to improve the reporting of epidemiological surveys, as reported in the 10th and EpiRef, and incorporate those data into CHIP dashboards. This additional data will ensure that national programs, partners and donors have a complete picture of NTD control and elimination programs and baseline surveys through MDA treatment rounds to impact surveys and beyond.